Don't ask. Old, rich British men having tea.
Hello, yo, Richie Rich. Yo. Who is your friend? Peter. Hello, Peter.
Let me home.
Thank you. So, this is the one with the crazy Guggenheimer stuff? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Okay, so how much should I invest in this stock?
Pizza. Drink your tea. Put your feet face down.
The tea is very good. It's so lovely.
Oh, what do you call that tea? You call it tea? To me, it sounds like blue Oscar.
Oh. Maybe you should try some of the Crackers Indie tea.
So lovely. That is awesome. Okay, let's talk business here, men.
Okay.
Oh, this is horrible.
I'm talking investing $2 million in the crazy Guggenheimer stock.
I would enjoy this very much. So.
Peach, how much would I get out of it?
You get $5 million out of it.
Oh, I will certainly think about this. Where exactly are the papers for the Guggenheimer stock?
I have them. No, I have them.
I think she might have. More tea?
Fuck business here. Scoot your plate. Scoot your plate. Scoot your plate. Fuck business. I have them right here. Just we'll do that.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Wrong way. Okay. So, Peach. Pizza.
I was like, pizza! So, exactly what will I be getting out of this, besides the $5 million?
Pizza, shut up.
What exactly is Crazy Guggenheimer Incorporated?
It's like with, like,
It's a bungee jumping corporate. It's a
bungee jumping corporate nut job.
So you don't mutter yourself. I think I will invest in this. Let me just get a pen, and we will sign the papers.
Peach, shut up. Don't give me those eyes. Do not give me those eyes, girl. Boy.
Okay.
Hey, just give me that. She gives you the eyes. Do not look at her eyes.
Okay. I'll keep that in mind.
Peach.
So, where exactly do I sign?
Here, and here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
And here.
Do I have to put the date?
And here. I'm gonna put the date.
Oh, no. And right there. And
Under Peter's name. Under Peter's name. Under Peter's name.
okay. Now,
all right, let me. I have to sign it too.
Okay.
You write this for me, and I will kill you. Peach, stop giving those eyes, girl.
Why don't you enjoy some of the tea some more?
Now, Peach. Now, pizza. Pizza! Sign. You know what? I'll sign for you. There. I know pizza! Alright, and I will send the money to you later.
I want honey. I want honey. Honey is not coming out. I want honey.
Should I get you $2 million?
You should get the gun.
That is the honey.
Okay. It was very lovely meeting
wait,
you,
wait.
Mr. Guggenheimer. Pizza.
Keep on going. Come on, grab your beef bag.
Very lovely seeing you again, Richie.
Toto!